Hi, fourth grade. Here we are with our lesson for today, lesson 95, and that is finding fractions of a group, but part 2. You've been finding fractions of a group for a very long time now. In fact, you had a problem like this on yesterday's lesson, number 9, where you had to find out 1/3 of 24 camels, it said, were two-hump camels. And you had to find out that and do show the illustration for it. So just a review of that. So for lesson 94, number 9 yesterday, you did 1/3 of 24 equals what? And so to do that work, you make your box with 3 sections, 24 on top, and then you divide 24 by 3. 24 divided by 3, that's easy, that's 8. So then we had 8, 8, 8. So 1/3 of 24, that would be 8 of those camels were two-hump camels. Okay? All right, so just a little reminder there. So that's the first step that we do. That's going to remain the same in the concept that we're learning for today. So let's just work together on a couple of the examples that we have in your lesson today for lesson 95. So if we look at example 1, it talks about campers, and there were 30 campers, so it says, at the state park. 2/3 of them wore green jackets. So how many wore green jackets? So this is an example of a 2-step fraction of a group problem. So we start the same. 2/3 is our fraction of 30, and we're going to find out how many campers is that. We start exactly the same. Our denominator is 3, so we're going to be dividing 30 by 3. So again, we have our box with 30 on top, and we divide 30 by 3. That's easy, that's 10. So in each of our boxes here, we would have 10. Here's the second step. Once you have that information, you multiply the answer here by 2. So our answer here was 10. Excuse me, let me write that a little darker. 10 times 2, and that equals 20. Now remember, this is the first day of this concept, so they're going to give us really easy numbers to work with. I need you to follow through and do all of the work that's required. Do the work for the first step, show the work for the second step. How many campers then do we have? Well, 2/3 of 30 campers gives us 20 campers, okay? Seems pretty easy, right? So just to reiterate, you divide your number by your denominator. You get that answer. That's just like we've been doing. The second step is to then multiply that answer times your numerator, and that gives you the answer then that you need for that problem. All right, so there's an example there and going through one of those with you for today. If you have any questions, please give me a call. And as you do your practice, certainly give me a call as well. And I look forward to seeing your lesson. Please make sure that you send me a picture of your lesson each day so that I can correct that and get it in the grade book. Thank you and have a great day.